Hello friends! Today I am sharing my recipe for Aloo Chana Chaat. This delicious street food is spicy, tangy, sweet, savory, crunchy, soft, juicy, saucy, so many different things all at the same time. I am also going to show you how to make the best cheat papri at home. But before getting started, let's hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can stay updated on all my latest videos. I drained and rinsed a 15-ounce can of garbanzos or chickpeas, and to this I'm going to add a medium-sized potato which I have boiled and cubed. You can add some green chilies if you'd like, half a tomato diced, some finely chopped onion, a handful of chopped cilantro, add a tablespoon of red chili flakes, about half to 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, a couple of teaspoons of cumin, a couple of teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, juice of half a lemon or lime, add some salt to taste, and half a cup of tamarind chutney and a 1/4 cup of cilantro mint chutney. You can find both the chutney recipes in the description box. Once everything is nicely mixed together, we're going to make our spicy yogurt. We're going to take 1 cup of yogurt and add a teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of red chili flakes, and half a teaspoon of coriander powder, followed by a tablespoon of sugar. We're going to whisk all of this together. Now let's get ready to plate this. We will start off by adding our chana chaat mixture to our bowl. We will top this with the spiced yogurt that we just made. Add some thinly sliced onion, some thinly sliced tomatoes, some chopped green chilies, chopped cilantro, some shredded cabbage, I'm going to drizzle a little bit more of the spiced yogurt. Now let's drizzle a tablespoon each of tamarind chutney and cilantro mint chutney over this. You can also add some pomegranate seeds if you'd like to. I think it adds a really nice texture and flavor to the chaat. Now let's make the cheat papri. So we are going to take some wonton wrappers and cut them into strips. They do not have to be perfect. You just want to cut these up, and then we're going to loosen these up a little bit. The other option is empanada sheets. You can just cut these sheets into squares or kite shape, and you can even cut them in circles with a little small cookie cutter. You are going to fry these in hot oil until they're golden and crunchy. You can literally hear the crunch when I put these on my chaat. You can sprinkle some more chaat masala on top before serving if you'd like to, or some red chili flakes as well. This amazing street-style chana chaat is ready to be devoured. It has so many different layers of flavors and textures. You are gonna love it. I am gonna see you guys soon with some more easy and delicious recipes. Stay tuned. Bye.